This is Jonathan. We are in Starlight, Indiana at Huber Family Farms and Restaurant. It's August 6th, and it is August 6th.
Which means DCI?
1.5 days. Right. And for those that are just joining, what is DCI?
Drum Corps International.
Ah, okay. Alright, so today, started in the campground. I had a meeting for a little while, and then we met our good friend Amy Gerhardt for lunch at a barbecue place. Amy is a singer-songwriter, and we met her through the Rock Boat and various other affiliations. Really enjoyable spending the time with her, right? And we probably could have chatted a lot longer, except we had to get up here. I had another couple of meetings on the way, so we finally got up here. We're about 115 miles from Indianapolis, which is our destination. What do you think of the farm?
Awesome.
Why?
Just the view.
Yeah.
Water, the birds, the ducks.
Yeah, to get to this farm, we traveled 7 miles on a country road, 30-mile-an-hour speed limit.
It was nice.
It was. It was pretty. It was curvy, and driving an RV at 30 miles an hour on those roads, I think I went slower. At one point, I turned to Jonathan. I said, "How many more miles?" Thinking we had like 2 to go, and he said, 5 more. All right, so beautiful place. It's a Harvest Host place. They've got a couple of barns that they use for events, weddings. Don't know if there are a lot of bar mitzvahs here.
Yeah.
But I had fried chicken. Jonathan had
a chicken quesadilla.
Yep. All right. What else you want to share with today? Share about today.
Quesadilla was a contender with Crystals.
Okay. So you liked it?
Yes, I liked it a lot.
Hand down.
Oh, yeah. Had a boring day.
Yeah. Well, you slept for a while. Then lunch with Amy wasn't boring.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Tomorrow's. Tomorrow I might try to get the RV fixed. Again, I've got a vibration in the steering. I think I lost a weight on the balancing. See if I can find a place tomorrow morning. Anyhow, I'll go first. Highs and lows. High. Definitely getting together with Amy for lunch. It's always good to see a good friend, and that was no exception. And the low is I'm driving, and I'm vibrating. And it's not fun. So that's my low.
My high is that was pretty good. My low.
Wow. This is a really good trip since you have very few lows.
What? Why do you just have so many lows?
Not a bad thing, because we're just finding something to help explain the range of stuff that we've been through today. Good attitude. All right. I have to fix the sound from yesterday's video. After I do that, and then I will upload that one, but I'll go ahead and upload this one tonight. That's it. All right. So until tomorrow. Bye.